that agrees to him, ngiyavuma again ukuthi sizobe available. It's my passion. I want us to open more private schools. In realize there's two more opportunities. Just to realize there are no opportunities, two more opportunities. Thank you.
Some people give me some of the
Okay, it's up to you. Igama lami uNhlanhla Khambule, the Chief Executive Officer of Edinvest. Sikole in KZN, Eastern Cape, as well as Gauteng. We also have artisan colleges around the country. And I just want to encourage someone, office of Kala Iskole, or even training or skills, skills, that it is possible. You can start. There's enough funding and adequate funding in this country, where there are more Kalama skills from the sitters, from the industry, more from the we've got enough parents who are looking for good schools, as long as we offer good quality schools. Let me tell you, it is possible, it can happen. But the final thing information is the journey is not going to be smooth. It may be difficult some other times, but keep pushing, Noma Sekunzima. It is possible. We need more private schools in this country. We need more skills development providers in this country, whether it's artisans or horticulture or anything. We do need more and more black people to participate in those industries. So I'm inviting you, brother and or sister, ukuba uze kule industry yaka education, uzoqala ama private schools. It is possible, and Amandla Omnoto, I'm one of their mentors. I will walk the journey with you to mentor you on the journey. Amen.